Imagine a world where your data is so secure, not even the most sophisticated hacker could break in. That's not sci-fi. It's happening right now in China. They're building the world's first quantum communication network, linking Beijing and Shanghai with a line of unhackable data. Here's the twist. If anyone tries to intercept your message, poof, it gets deleted instantly, leaving no trace behind. Absolute security in real time. But China isn't stopping there. In some cities, I could walk into court for a minor dispute and find no human judge at all. Meet the AI judge. It listens, weighs the evidence, and delivers a verdict, all on its own. The twist? No human oversight. The entire trial, from start to finish, happens in a virtual courtroom with AI calling the shots. It's efficient, yes, but also a bit unnerving, don't you think? Now step outside into the city and you'll see 5G-powered smart cities in action. Picture this: traffic lights, buses, even surveillance cameras, all talking to each other in real time thanks to AI. These cities don't just react, they predict. They can spot a crime before it happens, tweak air quality automatically, and even guide crowds to safety during emergencies, all without a single human command. The twist? The city is always watching, always learning. And if you think the future's stuck on the ground, think again. Companies like eHang are rolling out flying taxis by 2025, no pilot needed, just punch in your destination and watch the city drift beneath you. It's basically calling an Uber in the sky. The twist? These drones are fully autonomous. No steering wheel, no cockpit, just you and the view. But here's the real jaw-dropper. China's building an artificial sun. It's a nuclear fusion reactor that's hit temperatures 5 times hotter than the real thing. 158 million degrees Fahrenheit. If they crack it, this tech could power entire countries cleanly, with zero pollution forever. The twist? We're talking about unlimited energy, the holy grail of science fiction coming to life. So, from quantum secure messages to AI judges, smart cities, flying taxis, and fusion-powered futures, China's racing ahead, rewriting what's possible in tech. The question is, are the rest of us ready to keep up?